PLC Network here with another unboxing. This time we have smart lights from the company Yeelight, which is actually a sub-brand, I believe, of the company Xiaomi? I always mess up trying to say that one. But there are two smart bulbs. They're, again, Yeelight brand, which is a sub-brand. And this is their kind of daylight smart bulb that allows you to go between the normal yellow to white spectrums. And then you have their RGB one right here, which allows you to switch between all sorts of colors, tons of colors, using their app. And both of them, again, they're smart bulbs. They connect to your smart home using the application that you can download to your Android or Apple phone and control that with. And there's some rumors going around that we might be able to get this to work with alternative third-party devices as well, such as Z-Wave, so we'll come to that in the story. But for today, what we're going to do is we're going to open these up, we're going to see what they look like inside the box, see what they come with, and then you'll go to the website to find out the conclusion to how things worked out. So we'll start with the smart LED bulb, turnable white. So you got soft white to daylight. Again, yellow to white. So this is the bulb itself. It has this nice little kind of pattern to it on this bottom, the main body part of it. Then the actual bulb where the light comes out is right here. Is a regular base type for normal light bulb sockets in the US and other countries that use the same type. You have a user manual to help walk you through setting up the light bulb to the app. You have a small little card here that just wants you to reach out to them on social media. And that's it. Really simple for that one. Now, moving on to the RGB one, the design of the bulb is pretty much identical to this. The only difference is you have this little ring at the bottom here. This one is kind of like a tan colored, and this one's kind of like a purple. So I guess that just designates the model type. So when you're looking at it, and if you're picking up and you're, if from a collection of bulbs or something you have laying around, you can immediately look at the ring and know exactly what model you're holding. Is it just the daylight one, the normal white to warm, or the RGB? But everything else is exactly the same. You have the Yeelight logo there. You have the nice textured kind of theme to the main body, plus the section where the light's actually being output. You have the same accessories, it looks like, or at least contents, not so much accessories, but you have the instruction manual or the user manual to walk you through, again, setting it up to the app, and the little card that tells you to go to their social media and share it with all your friends. So, I guess that's it. Really simple unboxing there, folks. We're gonna have a whole story about this later on at plcnetwork.net. We're gonna have a lot more information than this because we're gonna test it against not only the app that it comes with, but as well as we'll probably throw it against a Z-Wave hub to see how it can interact with other third-party devices on your network. Now, it also supports other smart assistants or digital assistants like Google Assistant. So there are some alternative integrations that you can really work with to get these to work with other devices as well, and we'll cover that as well on the website. So check it out at plcnetwork.net. And if you liked what you've seen here, don't forget to subscribe below with the subscription button, as well as the comment section where we can all chat and talk about how cool these are. So, as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.